After Bihar, finally SIR will be conducted in West Bengal as well. We are joined by Bengal Minister Dr. Shashi Panja. Ma'am, SIR has been announced. We've seen how the Trinamool Congress from the very beginning, even a few weeks back, months back, had been opposing that entire exercise. Where do you stand today?
No. First of all, the details of the election commission, what they have said, will be analyzed and evaluated by our leadership, Mamata Banerjee, Chairperson, and our AITC General Secretary, Abhishek Bandyopadhyay. You can understand today is a very busy day, evening, because it's Chhath Puja, which is a very important festival in Bengal. Honorable Chief Minister, Chairperson is also very busy with this. So further, the leadership, when they fully evaluate, we will react further. But the party stands by this point that no valid voter will be omitted, should be disenfranchised, carrying those same papers which ensure citizenship or votership for you or me. So that is a ground which we stand on.
Concern still stays that there is a concern that legal voters, domicile of Bengal, their names may be deleted. That concern stays. Why are you concerned about that?
No, because more than our concern, that is the kind of narrative which has been built up in Bengal by the various political parties in opposition to TMC. So we've seen of 1.24 crore deletions and all this. So they are the ones who are instilling fear amongst the people. And we have told the people that no valid voter will be omitted. That is what Trinamool Congress has assured. And in the name of SIR, if we see such deletions are happening, which should not happen, then the party within the constitutional framework and legal framework will take it ahead, take it up more aggressively. Of course, let us go through, our leadership will go through what the EC has said and then further react.
The same things were told when Bihar SIR happened. There were a lot of talk that there are illegal Bangladeshi Rohingya Muslims who are there and their names would be detected and deleted. And then finally the SIR happened in Bihar, but we haven't been able to, the election commission hasn't come clean on, was there a large number of Rohingya Muslims who were there in the voter list? The same has been said about Bengal. So how do you look at that?
So that is what you as national media should take it up. As the fourth pillar of democracy should take up. So democracy, the word democracy is not just a word. It means more, but it means less for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And it's at their own sweet will that they decide that there will be deletions. So there was 65 lakh or deletions in Bihar. But no cause much to the narrative about the Rohingyas and infiltrators and the outsiders, etc. No reason was allotted or explained to those deletions. So that is in the minds of the people of Bihar too, and Bengal has also been keeping watch. The people of Bengal have kept watch, for which such utterances by the BJP has again created a lot of confusion. But Trinamool Congress stands by this, that yes, no valid voter would be omitted.
The way the election commission has operated in Bihar and now they are going to conduct SIR in Bengal, a lot of your party leaders have said that the election commission is working at the behest or the pressure of the BJP. Do you still maintain that?
No, basically our party leaders are always on the ground and we are very active on the ground and we are very connected with the people. So we will be definitely keeping watch on the voter list and we will cooperate with the BLO, etc. Much to, but at the same time, these kind of false statements or again statements to malign is the artwork of the BJP.
So you're going to provide full safety and you will ensure full safety and security of all the BLOs, AROs, EROs who are working there?
To malign. There was never such any threat, nothing was there. This is a narrative which is built by BJP. Why should we respond to all that?
And ma'am, lastly...
There have been predictions in the past.
They have been. Lastly, of course, 64 top bureaucrats have been transferred today. Is there any link to the SIR announcement today?
So, BJP has been saying something about this. There are three things which BJP is far away from understanding. One is good governance, They don't understand that. They don't stand by it also. One is democracy. They do not understand it is a word which they suddenly use, and constitutional rights. So I think they should refrain themselves from saying anything. You see, it is a democratically elected government which is quite often making modifications and changes. This is for purposes of governance. So what's wrong? I mean, we are very much within our rights to do that. Why are they making this a big issue? We don't understand.
I understand the concern that has been raised by the TMC, but the word is there an apprehension? Is there an apprehension over this entire exercise?
I think that's not. Our leadership will speak to, will elaborate further and allay all apprehensions and concerns of the media.
Great. Thank you so much, ma'am. Shashi Panja, Dr. Shashi Panja, of course, Bengal minister, elaborating on how the Trinamool Congress, the ruling Trinamool Congress here in West Bengal, is looking at this entire situation on a day when the Election Commission of India has finally and formally announced that a special intensive revision of the voter list in the state will be conducted. With camera person Shubhajit Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.